Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the MIUI 11 features which got updated in the Redmi K20 Pro. So recently, I got the update, guys, MIUI 11 in the Redmi K20 Pro. So let me show you the what model I'm using. As you can see here, 8GB and 128GB variant. So as you can see, there are a lot of features got added with the MIUI 11 update. So the best feature of this update is that always on display, so which has got a lot of customizations done to the Redmi K20 Pro device. So if you want to know more about the always on display, check the link in the description, guys, for the other video where I detailedly described about the always on display features. So the next thing is the sounds of the nature. So let me show you the features here. So you can find the always on display features in the ambient display and lock screen. So you got various modes and types to choose in the always on display. And next, in the sound settings, so here you got the natural sounds, as you can see, which got added in few notification sounds. And there is nothing changed in the notification tray, as you can see. So it is the same as it is before. And the font got a little bit improved with the update, MIUI 11 update. So as you can see here, all the icons look color. And next major feature which got added is that MI Share, as you can see here, guys. So if you turn on the MI Share, you can transfer all the data to all the smartphones. So from the Oppo phones or the Realme phones or the Vivo or the Xiaomi phones, so you can directly transfer. It's like the Apple AirDrop. So where the they introduced the MI Share into the system. So before it used to be MI Drop, but now they added the MI Share to the inbuilt MIUI 11 feature. So whenever you select any image from the gallery, this is how you get, guys. So directly from here you can straight away to send to the printer or in your laptop or the MI Share devices from the Realme or the Oppo or the Vivo. So right now I got the Realme X device, so which has the Realme Share option here. So as you can see here, guys, on the top I enabled the Realme Share, but still it's not displaying in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So in the future I'll be trying to connect both phones, MI Share and the Realme Share. So meanwhile, if you're having any thoughts regarding this, comment below, guys. I would like to try to make it work. And other thing got improved in the animation. So when you open the multitasking tray, the animation got a little bit improved, I can say. And another feature in the system settings and the display. So here when device is in VR mode, it got added. So maybe if you're using any VR devices, then this is very useful to reduce the flickering effect. And these are the few updates, guys, in the MIUI 11. And next area is the battery and the performance. So when you tap the battery and performance, as you can see, the UI got a little bit changed in the battery settings. So now if you tap on the battery usage statics, so here you can find the screen on time in this way. So this is a new look. So as you can see here, so for the next couple of days I'll be using the Redmi K20 Pro using the 4G data SIM continuously. So I'll be checking the battery backup of the Redmi K20 Pro, whether it got improved or not. Even I'll be showing how much screen on time you can expect in the Redmi K20 Pro. The same kind of video I did in the Realme X as well with the recent update. So below you can find the automated task option. So let me click on that, guys. So here you can add the settings according to the timings. For example, so I'll be coming back to the home by 4 o'clock. So immediately after coming to the home, the mobile data will be turned off and the Wi-Fi will be turned on automatically. So I set the timings from the 4 o'clock to the 9 o'clock. So this is how it follows. And next advantage is that when the battery reaches to the 20% or any desired percentage. For example, if you tap on that, even you can choose whatever percentage you want. So mostly I would prefer 25%. So when the battery reaches to the 25%, you can automatically turn off all the brightness and synchronization, everything in the background, as you can see here. So which will save a little bit of battery backup. So when the battery is very low. So if you want, even you can add the additional actions to be done as well, as you can see here. So these are the very good features which got added in the MIUI 11. And there is also a ultra battery saving mode, guys, as you can see here. So if you're using this, you can use up to 280 hours. I'm not sure whether it's accurate or not, but definitely I'll do another video on this ultra battery saving mode. So using the 4G SIM without using the mobile data, just on the standby, how much we can achieve if you're using the ultra battery saver. So let me enable this right now, and we'll get to know what are the apps you can use in this mode. So as you can see, guys, so we are in the ultra power saving mode. So here, if you click on the add, you can add all the applications from your device. As you can see here, Netflix or normal messages or MX player. So mostly I would prefer to use the normal call option, contacts, messages, and the browser, Google Chrome browser, and the WhatsApp. So basically this mode is only to save a lot of battery, not for the media consumption. So while you are traveling, you can use this kind of ultra battery saving mode in the Redmi K20 Pro to get a little bit of more battery backup in the device. So let me exit the ultra battery saver. It's very fast to get in and get out from the ultra battery saver. There is no problem in that. So that's it, guys. Is the overall features which got added in the MIUI 11 in the Redmi K20 Pro. So if I find any more, I'll be trying to make a video on that, another video. So even there is a screen time and the special features which has all these options. So which is also present in the MIUI 10. So that's why I did not describe more. So thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.